Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add tracking info to a PayPal order. Adding tracking information to an order on PayPal helps ensure smooth transactions, it provides buyer protection, and it also speeds up the release of held payments. This video is perfect for sellers who want to provide tracking information to buyers and also sellers who want to get paid faster. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to add tracking information to a PayPal order. First things first is you're going to want to load up the PayPal app. You can do this by scrolling on your homepage and finding the PayPal app, or you could scroll down, type in PayPal, and the app will load up. So just click on it, load it up, and once that is done, you're going to want to point your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see a couple of options on this bar. You can see Home, Wallet, Send and Request, Activity, and Offers. Now what you're going to want to click on is this Activities. So once you click on Activities, you'll see all of your transactions. You're going to want to go to the transactions that you're wanting to add tracking information to. So once you find that transaction, click on it and I'll meet you there. So for the purposes of this video, I am just going to be using this transaction. But as you can see, there's an add tracking button literally right here. So it's really as simple as just hitting that button and putting in the information that it requests. And it will update literally instantly on your end and on their end once the tracking information is scanned in by the carrier. And that's really all there is to it when it comes to adding tracking information to a PayPal order. That's all I have for you on the tutorial side of things, but I do have some tips and considerations to take home with you. My first tip is to make sure that the tracking number is accurate to avoid any issues with buyers or with PayPal. Tip number 2 is to remember that PayPal may release funds faster when tracking confirms delivery. My third and my last tip for the video is to remember that if you're using a shipping carrier not listed on PayPal, you can manually update the order status. But that's really all there is to it when it comes to adding tracking information to a PayPal order. I really hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you did find it helpful though, be sure to drop a like and also share this video with a family member, a friend, or anyone you think that this video will help. And most importantly of all, be sure to hit that subscribe button, become a member of this channel. We're honestly doing tutorials all the time. So yeah, but that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys take care and peace out.